a click clack. And a ting, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that I rip down.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now we're back with my EP3 Type R, and today what I'm going to be doing is changing my rocker cover on my car.
Prepare to die.
The new rocker cover, and there is the old rocker cover. Now my old rocker cover is battered and bruised and it's worn out, obviously paint coming off, so I just thought I'll get a new one done, and I think it will transform the engine bay. It look a lot better as well. So we're gonna get down to business, and obviously I've already took my strut brace off. Brake fluid now. Obviously there's two 10mm bolts. I've also loosened them because it's a pain in the backside to do. I'm going to start off by taking my spark plug cover off, and that's 10mm. Then we're going to move on to the rocker cover, and that's 10mm all around. So we're going to start off by obviously loosening this. And then do the same. The spark plug cover is now off. Moving on to the rocker cover, and 10mm, 10mm, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. Just loosen them up, and obviously take all of them off, and I'll show you once that's done. So obviously after you've taken your nuts off, don't forget to also remove these as well, and they'll just flick off. It's been a bit of a pain, sort that out. There we go. Now moving on to the coil packs, and there's 1, 2, look, I'm missing one there, and then that big one, and it's all 10mm. Right, so I'm gonna take the coil pack off now, and obviously it is just a little clip on the side that you pull. Right, let's take it off. That's one. Number 2. Number 3. Could have done with some gloves, but nevertheless. Number 4. Then that will just pop off. You can leave that there for now. Don't forget to remove your oil cap and also your dipstick. move that out of the way. And there we have it. So there's the old one and here is the new one. One thing I have to mention, don't forget to change your gasket as well. I've obviously recently replaced my gasket, so I've just took the old one off and put it onto the new one. And I'll also show you the cover itself, which I think looks really nice, better than that one. So let's get it back on and see how it looks. It's always good to get a helping hand because it's not as easy as it looks. Go again. Are we okay there? Yep. And there we have it. Now obviously put everything back together. It's all 10mm. Once I've done all that, I'll show you the final piece. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I think my rocker cover has changed the way the engine does look. I love the way it looks, to be honest with you. Now, I want to say a big thank you to the FM team for helping me out and giving me a hand in doing this. I want to say a big thank you to all the viewers. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.